We'll guide you through how to delete negative rows in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Deleting negative rows in Microsoft Excel is a useful way to clean and organize your data efficiently. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the Start screen fully loads before continuing. Once it is ready, open a workbook that contains numerical data and make sure the correct worksheet is active so you are working in the right place. Next, review your dataset carefully to identify which columns contain numerical values. Determine which specific column includes negative numbers, as this will be the focus of your filtering process. After that, click anywhere inside your data range to ensure Excel recognizes the dataset properly. Now, move to the top ribbon menu and click the Home tab. In the Editing group, look for the Sort and Filter option, then click it to open the drop-down menu. From the list, select the Filter option to enable filtering on your data. You will notice that small drop-down arrows appear in each column header, indicating that filtering is now active. Click the drop-down arrow in the column that contains numerical values. From the menu, select Number Filters, then choose Less Than from the available filter options. A dialog box will appear on the screen. In the input field, type 0 as the criteria, then click OK to apply the filter. Excel will now display only the rows that contain negative values. Click and drag to select all visible filtered rows, and make sure that all selected rows actually contain negative numbers. Once confirmed, press Delete on the keyboard for the selected row, and the selected row will be deleted from the cell. This action will remove the negative rows from your worksheet. After deleting, go back to the column filter dropdown and click Clear Filter to display all remaining data. You will observe that only positive and non-negative values remain in your dataset. Resize columns or rows for better readability and review the dataset again to ensure accuracy and consistency. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the changes so your clean data is securely stored and ready for future use.